Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I'm Eric, and today I'm super excited to talk to you about this awesome product from ESR. They make some of the most amazing accessories for computers and phones and tablets, and this is no exception. This is a 15.6 inch 1080p HD HDR10 capable widescreen portable monitor. Yeah, it's a portable monitor. It's a monitor you take with you anywhere you go so that you can have two screens, not just one. Now, you can use this with a laptop, you can use it with a MacBook, you can see me using it with an iPad Pro. You can even use this with some phones. A lot of phones will support an external monitor. Any device that supports an external monitor you can use with this monitor from ESR. Now, this monitor has great viewing angles, 178 degree viewing angle. It works in the sRGB color space. It is again 1080p and supports HDR10. So it's a really great portable monitor. Now what's cool is it has edge-to-edge glass, very tiny bezels, and super thin, so not going to take up a lot of space, but is a really big monitor. I really love using it with my iPad Pro or my MacBook if I'm on the go, because it gives me that second screen, and sometimes just having two screens just makes a lot of things so much easier, because you can multitask using different programs or apps so much better when you have a second screen, and this works great with that. Now let's talk about some of the other features. It does have this leg on the back, and it will work in either horizontal mode or vertical mode. It will stand up in vertical mode. Again, your laptop, MacBook, whatever you're using needs to support viewing in that angle, being able to set it up to view that way, but you can use it either way, which is great. On that leg, you also have your connectors. This is how you connect to the device. You've got a mini HDMI, and they include in the package all the cords you need for attaching this. So you can use the HDMI out on a computer or a laptop, and then you have also Type-C. So like with my iPad Pro, it's just Type-C to Type-C. They include all the cables you would need to connect through either of those methods. Then you also have a little function button here, a little scroll wheel button here. This is powering on. You also use this to control the brightness of the display, and then you can also use it to control volume. And so yes, if you have this connected, especially through Type-C, it will do audio out. It has a couple little speakers built in here. Now they are small speakers, but they are built in right there. But it also has an audio out, so you can send your audio through this and then plug your audio device into this if you want to or need to. Just know that option is available. And that's about it. Very simple, mostly plug and play. Again, as long as your device supports it, you're going to get great use out of it. Then it also has these rubber feet on the bottom here to help make sure this stays in place the way it should when you are setting it down. But really nice display, works really well. Again, just adds to the your ability, the functionality to be able to use your computer or your tablet, your phone, even in some cases, be able to use them in a way that just really expands your functionality, being able to have that second monitor. And this is so thin. It does come with a carrying case to throw it in before you put it in a backpack or something, just to help protect it. But what I love is it's so thin. It's thin, it's lightweight, but just really works great. Gives you what you need. You need that extra monitor, the extra space to be able to work in two windows. Whether you're working on with your laptop or something, take this with you. It's so easy. So really awesome additional monitor by ESR. If you're looking to get a portable monitor like this, something you can take with you, then this monitor from ESR is awesome. I would highly recommend it. That's going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, favorite this playlist, so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, just post them down below, and I will do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time, so be safe and be happy.